Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to upload shorts on YouTube from your PC. So simply what you need to do, just you can upload like normal videos, but what is the step included I'm going to show you. Simply now click on create, and after this click on upload. So here upload your file. I am simply uploading short file here, so you have to understand what kind of rules set for short YouTube videos. So after this, what is important, just you have to type the tags here. Like I'm typing shorts, not short, just shorts. So simply tag the shorts here. So add another tag shorts for you, and also simply you have to tag all the shorts option here, and in this way you will be able to create a short video on YouTube. So when you add all the tag, just simply click on the next button. So in this way you can easily upload shorts from PC. So just you have to tag shorts.